Hey, what's up everyone? This is Joel with TruLife Investing. Today has been a difficult one. We actually lost today. But that's okay, because you know why? We know that we're going to have some red days. We know that there are going to be some times where we don't have an increase within our account. But that's okay, because we know that that's just a part of the journey. And as we continue to build into our account, as we continue to invest, as we continue to put more money into our RobinHood account, we have to understand that we want to have more green days than red days, but there is a chance that we are going to have some red days. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you on screen what happened for today. Actually, the entire stock market was in the red. If you look, I've got it on the screen for you from the New York Stock Exchange.com. The Dow Jones Industrial Average was down 282 points today. The S&P 500 Index was down 17 points. And then the New York Stock Exchange was down 170 composite index new. So we understand that everybody knows that whenever the market's doing this, you definitely, everybody's going to win. But whenever the market's doing this, it's only those that are strategic, those that are paying attention, those that are seeing where companies are, either gaining or losing throughout the day, and what is their potential for actually gaining by the end of today. So one of the things that I actually did again today was another test, because you have to remember that as we're learning, as we're growing, we have to be testing. And we definitely want to be testing now whenever we have, essentially $200+ in the account, rather than having $2,000 or $20,000 in the account. And we don't want to be testing then. We want to do all of our learning now. And we want to make sure that we kind of get a feel for investing through different times throughout the day, that we want to invest with penny stocks at the beginning of the day or towards the end of the day, and we want to get rid of those as soon as we can, as soon as we can get an increase. But at the same time, we still have to be able to go in and test that. What if we got a stock at 11 o'clock, 11:30 a.m. and towards 2-3 hours right after the stock market opened? And so that's kind of what I did today. One of the things that I learned today was that when you're seeing a stock that's doing pretty well about mid throughout the day of this, while the stock market is open, that stock has the potential to go up, but being a penny stock, more likely the potential to go down. So I'm actually going to show you on my screen today's overall view of what happened. So today we ended up in our account with a $244.02. We had around a $14-15 loss in total, with how much from our account in stocks we lost. Of the value of our stocks went down. As you can see right here on MFA, we actually purchased the stock at $3.30. And then by the end of today, we lost right here negative $21. That's in total of what we've lost throughout the whole time that we've been owning this amount of shares for this business. Now, one thing that I want to pull out on this though is remember that with MFA, they were doing so well pre-pandemic. So before all this stuff happened, we know that they were doing well. They have the potential to do well, because check out this. Even if we were to pull out and look at a 5-year trend, these guys were killing it. They were doing great. And so we know that consistently throughout their history, they did well, and that throughout the time that, things are starting to get back to normal, that things are going to go up and then things might come down. But that's okay. We're gonna hold on to this stock, and we're gonna see what's gonna happen tomorrow. The analysts say right here, to 83% say to hold on to this stock. Right now, there's 178,000 people, plus people that own MFA Financial within RobinHood. So we know that it's popular. People see where it was. People are holding on to this stock, but we definitely know that it has a more likely potential to go up than to go back down based upon its history. But so that was one of the stocks where we kind of lost pretty big today. But let's go back and look at another stock that we actually purchased today at 11:30. So today at 11:30, I purchased this stock at $1.82, 75 shares. And throughout the day, as you can see, around 11:30, it was going up. I purchased it right here, and it was going up, 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 and then it started its descent, which that's okay. You know, a lot of people are like, oh, as soon as they start seeing it declining that much, they'll sell. But guys, we have to remember, we cannot give up. For this video, I want everybody to really realize that, you know, when you have money in there, when things are going down, you tend to want to just pull out. You know, you want to get out before you lose any more money. But understand that with the stock market, this is going to happen. But we have the chance to make money when our money is in the stock market. But whenever it's not in the stock market, we don't have any chance of growing our money from the stock market. So you have to understand that there's a give and a take. But we're going to hold on to this stock. We're going to reevaluate it in the morning. Hopefully it's going to pick back up just like how it did today. Because if you see today, it started out at $1.56 and then it was able to pick itself up to $1.87. And so if we look out a week, this stock's been growing. Let's go out even a month. This stock has just been growing consistently. Exactly what happened today, it happened on the 3rd, and then it happened on May 19th. So we know that we're kind of seeing a trend of what's going to happen. And so with my feeling is that it's going to bounce back up and it's going to continue to go up. So we're going to hold on to this stock and we're going to continue to just look at it, analyze it. But I have a good feeling that this stock is going to pick back up. It's going to get past $1.82 and then we're going to sell it for a gain. So one of the things that I did want to show you is whenever there's a red day, you always want to make sure that today is a red day, but yesterday you had a green day and you made sure to prepare yourself for the upcoming red days that may potentially happen. So if we look back at, I'm going to go into my account, and like I said, I'm being fully transparent, guys. I want y'all to see from scratch, I'm growing this account. I'm not trying to, be a charlatan or anything like that of trying to show a fake account or trying to show that, oh man, I've got all these, just great investments. No, this is what TruLife Investing is about. There's going to be days where we're gaining, there's going to be days where we're losing, but I feel for the majority of Americans, this is what everybody essentially is getting into and is going through whenever they start investing. And so I want to show my journey. I want to continue to show that, hey, yeah, we lost today, but we would have lost a lot more. But because we did well yesterday, it offsetted today's loss. So I'm going to show you on the screen right here. Yesterday, we bought the, I don't even know if I'm pronouncing this right, organigram. And we bought it at $2.14 a share. We bought 50 shares for $107. And then today we sold it for $2.33 a share, and we made a profit on that. And so you see, by making that profit, I mean, and I know it's like, oh, it's only $9 or whatever, but still, a profit is a profit. Gaining is gaining. And so we want to make sure that we're always gaining no matter what, every single day. I don't care if it's a percentage or it's 1% or 10%. We want to be moving forward. We want to continue to grow. But this helped us today so that we didn't lose as bad when it came to the actual stocks that brought us lower to have a red day. So just wanted to show you today, guys. Hope these videos are helping out. Would love it if you would subscribe to the channel. We're just going to keep putting out these daily videos. These are not going to stop. One of the things I really want to press to everybody is I'm not going to give up. I'm going to keep pushing forward. I'm going to keep fighting. This is essentially a game that I'm not going to lose at. I'm going to keep pushing and learning and, seeking, everything I can as far as any gains I can for any stocks and really learning the market. We don't want to short ourselves because we just pull out and we don't think that we can't, make any money off that. There is so many people, so many individuals out there that are doing so well, that have financial freedom because of the stock market, because they got in here. And yeah, it was hard. Yeah, they went through a lot of red days sometimes, but they stuck with it and they learned it, and now they have financial freedom. And I believe with our channel, with our community that we're building, we can all have financial freedom if we get in here, we're disciplined, we're consistent, and we just keep pushing through, we keep fighting. So that's what we're going to keep doing. I'm really looking forward to what's going to happen tomorrow. Like I said, these past 2 days for the whole stock market, it's been kind of red, but we're still going to push through, and we're still going to go through and be as profitable and try to get as many gains as we can. I did want to go ahead and address, we had somebody that commented and said that some of the videos have been confusing because I'm uploading a daily investing video, but then I'm also uploading these other videos that are kind of like some tips that I've been figuring out, and just want to let you know that those are going to be happening every single day. I want to show a daily view of the account that we're dealing with, but I also want to go ahead and give y'all some extra tips outside of these daily views so that you can learn and grow in your investing within your account within Robinhood. So just know that that's going to happen. And then this person also commented and say, when do you trade this and that? So because I don't have $25,000 in my account, I only can day trade so much before I get penalized. And so so the way that I've kind of structured my day trading is the last hour of the day is whenever I'm going to be purchasing stocks, and then waiting, overnight, and then in the morning, whenever the stock market is most volatile, whenever the stock market is essentially growing, whenever it's, people are putting money into it within the first 15 to 30 minutes, that's whenever I'm going to be selling. So every single day, essentially selling for the first 15 to 30 minutes, and then purchasing the last hour of the day. And we're going to keep doing this until we get to that threshold, and it allows us to be able to trade throughout the day, so that if we see something that's going up and we can purchase it, if we see it makes a 30-cent gain and we have 1,000 shares in there, we can go ahead and cash out, and we're not penalized by that PDT rule. So just want to thank everybody for the support. Thank everybody for liking the videos. But don't forget, if you haven't liked the videos yet, smash that like button. We really appreciate the help. It's helping us to grow this channel and to be found in more of the searches. And we're just going to continue to hit it. We're going to continue to fight. We're going to continue to push through these red days, because we're going to get green days. I promise you that. And we're not going to give up. I'm so excited of what's going to happen, of all the gains that we're going to get, and just to see this account grow. I'm really excited just to even hit our first $1,000, which we're going to do really soon. So thanks guys for everything, for all your support. I just want to let y'all know that I'm going to be posting this video. I'm recording it on the night of the day that I've been investing, and then I'll be posting this video tomorrow. So always remember that whenever I'm posting a video on the daily investing that I'm doing, it's from the prior day's investing. It's not for that specific day. So just a heads up on that. Thanks for all the support, guys. I'll talk to you later. This is Joel with TruLife Investing.